Hey guys, welcome back to Hacky Nerds. In today's video, we are going to discuss about two commands, cd and mkdir. So without wasting much time, let's begin.
This is the future.
So cd stands for change directory. By help of this command, we can change our working directory to whatever directory we want. So let's see how it works. So first of all, let me open my terminal from Ctrl Alt and T, and now let's say I want to switch to my root directory. So as we discussed before, slash stands for root directory. So write cd space slash and then hit enter, and it will change your directory to root directory. And if you want to switch to your home directory, then type cd space hyphen and then hit enter. So as you know that this hyphen stands for home directory and slash stands for your root directory. Now let me clear the screen. Now if I want to go to my snap store folder, so let's see where it is. Go to files, and inside this snap folder there is a snap store folder. So if I want to switch to my snap store folder, then there are two different ways. You can do it by change your directory to snap and then again change your directory to snap store, but it's very lengthy and time taking process. So let's see the shortcut way. So first go to your home directory and then type the path of this directory as we did before in our ls command. So type cd space snap slash snap store and then hit enter, and it will change your directory to snap store. Now if you want to go to the parent directory from your working directory, like I want to go to the snap directory, so type cd space dot dot and then hit enter. So it will change your directory from current working directory to one step backward directory. Now what happens if the folder name contains space between two words? Let me show you one example. So inside my snap directory, there is a folder named my stuff. If I want to change my directory to my stuff, then what I can do? Type cd my stuff and then it will give me an error, because whenever you type any name here, cd command will only search for the first part before the space. So now how to open this type of folder? There are three methods. Type cd space my and then backslash space stuff. So wherever there is a space between two words, type a backslash and then hit enter. So it will change your folder. Now let's go back. The another way is that type your folder name between double quotation. So let's see cd space double quotation and then type your folder name between this, my stuff, and then hit enter. Now again go back, or you can just put your folder name between single quotation like cd space single quotation and type your folder name between this, my stuff, and then hit enter. So those are three different ways to change your folder which contains space between two words. So that's all about our cd command. Now let's start discussing mkdir command. So clear the screen. So now let's go back to our home directory by typing cd space hyphen and then hit enter. Now clear the screen. Now the command mkdir stands for make directory. From help of this command, we can create directory in Linux. So let's see how we can do this. Let's say that I want to create a directory on my desktop. Let me close this one. So change your directory to desktop and now type mkdir and the name of the directory. And now I want to create a folder named Hacky Nerds. So just type mkdir and then the name of the folder like Hacky Nerds and then hit enter. So it will create a folder named Hacky Nerds here, as you can see. Now if I want to create a subdirectory inside my Hacky Nerds folder, then there are two different ways. Like you can change your directory to Hacky Nerds and then make your directory there. But as we know, this is a very lengthy process, so there is a shortcut way too. So let's see what is the shortcut way. So type mkdir space Hacky Nerds and then slash and then type your directory name and then hit enter. So it will create a subdirectory inside my Hacky Nerds folder. So let's see. Yes, it created a subdirectory name 1 here. So minimize this and clear the screen. Now what if I want to create a subdirectory inside a parent directory, but this time the parent directory doesn't even exist? So let's take an example like mkdir hack slash tools. So there is no directory named hack on my desktop. So let's see what it will do. And yes, it gave me an error that there is no such file or directory. and it's obvious. So now what if I want to create a parent directory and subdirectory both at the same time? So now we will have to use flags. So we will have to write -p here, or you can use --parent and then hit enter. So it created both the parent directory and the subdirectory at the same time. Let's check this one. Go to hack, and inside this hack folder there is a folder named tools. So it created both directory. Now close this one and clear the screen. Now let's say I want to create multiple directory at the same time on my desktop. So how we can do this? You can do it by giving space between two names like mkdir python/java and then hit enter. So it created both the directory at the same time. So that's all about today's video. If you enjoyed this and learned something new, then press that like button and share this with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.